So, for anyone who's ever built a Tamiya RC car, you know that feeling, right? That joy of the build.
Oh, absolutely. It's almost a ritual. The crisp box, those parts laid out.
Yeah, the manual, the designs, just classic. But there was often that one snag.
The electronics.
Exactly. Specifically, the electronic speed controller, the ESC. It's like the car's central nervous system telling the motor what to do.
And Tamiya's. Well, they weren't always the best part of the kit.
Right, which created this real gap. So for this deep dive, we're looking at a fascinating power shift.
HobbyWing.
HobbyWing, how this startup from Shenzhen ended up becoming the go-to electronic heart for these iconic Tamiya models.
It's a great story. You've got HobbyWing's tech, Tamiya's own legacy inertia, maybe, and the community.
Yeah, the hobbyists played a huge role. Okay, so let's start with HobbyWing. Shenzhen, 2005.
Right. And they were, born digital, as you said. Their focus from day one.
High power density brushless power systems. Quite a mouthful.
But smart. They saw where things were going. Brushless motors, LiPo batteries.
Uh-huh. While everyone else was still messing with older tech, they were kind of building for the future. They needed that precise voltage control for LiPos, right?
Yeah.
Safety and performance.
Exactly. And that foresight paid off.
Wow.
Big time. Especially with one specific product.
Ah, the legend.
The QuicRun 1060 brushed ESC. It nailed it.
What made it so special? What was the killer feature?
Well, it wasn't just one thing. It was sort of a trifecta. First, fully waterproof. Big deal.
Okay, yeah. Important for bashers.
Then, super simple setup, just jumpers, easy. And the absolute key, a reliable, built-in low-voltage cutoff for LiPo batteries, the LVC.
Right. That was the crucial bit to me it missed, wasn't it?
Pretty much. Compare it to Tamiya stuff. You had the old mechanical ones,
Yeah.
basically resistors that got hot.
Yeah, wasted energy.
Then the TE101BK, no LiPo LVC at all. And the BEC, the circuit powering the receiver and servo, was kind of weak for modern gear.
Okay.
And even the later one, the TBLE, so 2S, baffling. It had an LVC, but only for life batteries, not LiPo.
Wait, really? Why?
Who knows? And in brushed mode, it was weaker 40 amps versus the 1060 60 amps. Plus, it cost more.
So the HobbyWing 1060 was cheaper, like 25-30s, and better.
Yeah, stronger, waterproof, proper LiPo cutoff.
Uh-huh.
It was a no-brainer.
Wow. Okay, so the tech was there, the price was right, but you mentioned the community. How did they fit in?
This is where it gets really interesting. It became this grassroots movement. Online forums, Tamiya Club, Reddit's are Tamiya.
Like a virtual clubhouses.
Exactly. Someone asks, what ESC for my Hornet re-release? Or upgrade for my TTO2?
Yeah.
And the answer, almost unanimously,
The 1060.
the 1060. Affordable, bulletproof, waterproof, LiPo-ready, perfect hassle-free upgrade, especially for the vintage stuff. Didn't overpower them, just made them reliable.
So the community basically told Tamiya what they needed. They almost crowdsourced the solution.
You could definitely see it that way. And Tamiya eventually listened. It was just, pragmatic.
When did they make the official switch?
Started late 2021, rolling into 2022. They began bundling a HobbyWing ESC called the THW160. Basically the same thing right in the kits.
Which kids? Just the old ones.
Nope. Across the board.
Yeah.
Vintage re-releases like the Hornet, the Blackfoot, sure, but also modern chassis like the popular TTO2.
Huh. So they leaned into HobbyWing's strength.
Absolutely. It strengthened Tamiya's core thing, that joy of the build, because now the final running experience was just better, more reliable.
Yeah, Tamiya sells the experience, the nostalgia, the build, not really the ESC itself.
Exactly. And a better ESC made that whole package more joyful for you, the builder.
So wrapping this up, what's the takeaway for someone listening? If you've got a Tamiya kit, old or new?
Well, it means those classic kits get modernized reliably. They run well without losing their character.
And for newer platforms.
It provides a trusted upgrade path. Got a TTO2 with the included 1060? You can easily step up to a HobbyWing brushless system later, like an EZRun or EZRun.
Or if you have a crawler, like the CCO2.
You can jump to their specialized crawler ESCs, like the QuicRun 1080. It's like HobbyWing completes the journey Tamiya starts.
So HobbyWing didn't conquer Tamiya. It sounds like they completed it.
That's a great way to put it. They provided that modern electronic soul for those iconic mechanical bodies.
A really necessary update.
Yeah. And maybe the final thought here for you to think about is what this means for other legacy brands.
How so?
It's a lesson, isn't it? To really thrive, you can't just innovate in a vacuum. You absolutely have to listen to your community. They often know exactly what you need.